This smoker kit has been so fun to get to kind of test out and explore and make different drinks with. It has 6 different flavors of pellets that you can use. You just set that wooden piece on like your typical glass that you're using, your whiskey glass, and then you put about a pea size of the pellets into the top there, and then you torch it for probably about 45 seconds or however long you think is good, especially depending on how smoky you want it. This brand actually sent it to me, and it was so fun to get to test out. And my family loved all the different concoctions we were able to up with. But here you can see the smoke is trapped in right now because now we put the lid on it. And then what you should do is swirl it around, which we did. I just didn't have a video of. And then this is what it looks like once we released the lid. So we let it sit in there for probably 30 seconds or so, but it has all of these different fun things, comes with everything you need. This would be such a great gift idea. It just levels up your drinks.